Hello, this video is about composition of functions again, but in this video we are going to show a general case. What I mean by that is in this case we are going to just do the composition in terms of x rather than have a specific value given as we did in the previous video. Although at the end I will show you how to use the general case to calculate a specific value. F composition of G, this little circle meaning composition of x, is by definition equal to f of G of x, which means we take the second function and we plug it into the first function. This is what that means. So G is the second function, and so this is f of that function. Rather than f being of x, f is actually of g of x. So f depends on x through the g. So if we have two functions, f of x equal to 2x plus 1, and I'm using the same functions as before, as in the previous video, so we can make a comparison at the end when it comes to values calculated. And g of x equals to x plus 3. Then composition, f composition G of x would be, well, f, as we said here, of g of x. So g of x replaces every x in the f of x function. So we start with 2 right there, and then instead of x we put g of x. And then we still have this plus 1, right? Now we know that g of x is actually equal to x plus 3. So this is actually 2 times, and then x plus 3, and then still plus 1. This one right here. So now we can actually simplify this a little bit by distribution. So 2 times x is 2x. Oh, why did I put 7? That's interesting. I guess I'm anticipating a number there. So 2x, and then 2 times 3 is 6, so plus 6, and then still plus 1 there. Now here that 7 actually shows up, so 6 plus 1 is 7. So now we know that f composition of G of x, of these two functions, right, f of x and g of x, is equal to 2x plus 7. So this will be a general case, and then now whatever x is given to you, you just put it in here and you already calculate your composition of functions. Now, as you might remember from the previous video, x was given in that case and it was equal to 5. So let's see what's going to happen if we actually use that 5 in here. So this is going to be f composition G of 5. And then, as in any other case, we will just replace x by it, right? Because we replaced it here. We need to replace it everywhere else. So this is 2 times 5, and then plus 7. Which is, this is 10 plus 7 is 17. And if you remember from the previous video, when we had these two functions right here, and then we had x to be equal to 5, we really did get 17. So regardless of which way we go, we should end up with the same value, the same output if we have the same input. I hope you enjoyed the video. If you have questions or comments, please post below. If you like it, of course, please like it below also. And then make sure you subscribe so we can do some more videos. You can definitely suggest which kind of videos would you like to see. Thank you.